little early morning Dahlia maintenance. A little fertilization with some Alaska 511. This is a highly concentrated solution I have, so I just pour a little bit under each plant. Yep, just a little bit, and I come through and I water it in. Some of these I've already watered, so they're good to go. But I'll just water everything in again just to ensure the solution gets down to the roots. As you can see, I finally have some flowering. See there? I gotta spray some of these dahlias with this Rose X solution by Bonide. Keeps the creepy critters off of them. Probably shouldn't be spraying the flowers, but removing some of the lower leaves, like I said. Got some wilt going on. This right here, you might want to remove that whole branch. When I start seeing wilt, that's an issue. That means something's going on with the roots, with the root system. These dahlias really have been traumatized, especially after being chomped on by the voles early on in the season. See how this one over here is wilting? What's that about? What is wrong with you? Talk to me. Just take the whole, yeah, see? It's because it got broken off. It's broken off at the base. That's why it was wilting. That's why you gotta inspect your plants. Inspect your plants. They'll let you know what's going on. Yeah, these have spider mites, you can tell. Spider mites have you can tell. You see very tiny patterns or splotches or areas where they're sucking the juices out of the plant. It's almost like a stain. See? Look at right here. You see all of that? Spider mite cobwebs. Really spray this one down. And you can fertilize your dahlias later on in the season because they really shine during the fall months. So they'll need energy for that show. All right, so I'm gonna just go ahead and finish watering all these plants in. Well, we got one flower coming up, tricolor. Look at that. There we go. Finally. All right, guys, this was just a real quick video on some dahlia maintenance where I removed leaves that are touching the soil. I removed damaged leaves, damaged branches, did a little fertilization using some Alaska 511, doing some early morning watering, spraying with bonide insecticide, and yeah, just some maintenance. All right, see y'all in the next video. AJ's Green Thumb.